With EverLine, you're getting the pavement maintenance experts, and we know that asphalt crack filling is critical to ensuring that your pavement remains intact when it starts to show this type of wear. Did you know that 75% of untreated cracks turn into potholes within 3 years? So it's time to get them filled. What's our process? Well, we prepare the cracks by cleaning them. We need to remove the dirt, dust, and debris through air compression. At the same time, we heat them with a concentrated flame to burn away vegetation and to ensure that they are totally dry, so that when the crack fill comes through, it is ready to bond with the crack filling material. We complete an edge-to-edge bond with our crack filling material. We ensure a watertight seal to prevent further penetration and deterioration. Your lot will be traffic ready within 6 to 8 hours as it cools down, though we do have options to make it available immediately if required.